That's a good wash day. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go and do the wash now. Hi guys, welcome back to my first natural hair video. This is fresh wash. Freshly washed hair. Let's undo it. Yep. Look at that, guys. There's absolutely nothing in here right now. Nothing. I'm gonna show the products that I use to wash my hair. No, let me show you right now. I used the SheaMoisture. Can I get it focused? Yeah, there we go. The black castor oil, strength and restore shampoo, and then I used the intense hydrating conditioner. This one. See if I can get it focused. There we go. That one. It's the conditioner and the shampoo. That's all I used. Okay guys, okay, let me take my glasses off first. And then, okay, so this is my own personal oil that I use, that I make. It has in coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, all different type of oil. That works for my hair. I'm gonna put it on the root. You have to take care of the root of your hair, guys. And just run the tip of my fingers. I'm just gonna squish it a little bit. Like just rub in. Well, massage. I'm just gonna massage. I have to put exactly in here because this is my trouble area right here. This spot just tends to always be dry. I have to put extra moisture in that area. Massage that oil in. And it's all over your hands. So you really don't need to put any more to get the ends because it's all over your hands already. And the ends, guys, is the most delicate part of your hair. So make sure if you don't moisturize anywhere else, make sure you moisturize the ends because you're going to be all frizzed up and it's going to start to break. You don't want that. Now, we're going to start to separate it. Look at the curls already, guys. I mean, I could leave it like that and we're good to go, right? What do you guys think? Nah. Alright. Let's finish it then. Okay. Now I'm going to detangle my hair. I'm using this big comb. I know some people must be like, you combing out the curls. Trust me, guys, the curls will come right back in a few. With this big comb, it's easy. Detangle. Okay guys, this is just so it's easier for me to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to section it off and I'll be right back. Okay. The sections don't need to be pretty. They just need to be manageable. You need to be sectioned. Well, I need to section my hair because my hair is very thick. In the root portion of it, it's very, very thick. So. And I need to get the moisture, my moisturizers down there. So we'll have to do it this way. So I know all my hair will be moisturized. I just do some big twists. Okay, so I have 4 big twists to the back. And then I have one here, and this one to the front. And guys, you see the length of my hair? Look at the length of my hair. Look at the length of my hair. It's still going. And after detangle, this is what I got after I detangled my hair. That's it. Right here. Okay. So now we start with the good stuff. Put these up to the top here. We'll clip these up to the top here. I'll clip this out of the way. Guys, it's just hanging. Okay. So we'll start with the back here, and I'm going to moisturize the back here. First, I'm going to use this comb. It's a much smaller to make sure it's completely detangled. You have to make sure here it's completely detangled, guys. Otherwise, your hair, the curls will not drop right. And you need the moisture through the whole hair properly. Okay, today I'm going to be using my holy grail, which is, where is it? The Curly Shea Enhanced Smoothie. This is my holy grail, guys. Yes. I can have everything else. I can change any of my other products, but this will always be in it. And I found these, and I've been using them. I've been using it. Okay. It's an African Pride. I don't know if it's new, but I just came across it, and my hair is loving it. Look, I've been using it. It's down there to the bottom. I still have a good amount in there. I'm using this today. Normally my leave-in would be, this would be my leave-in. My hair loved this very, very much. But I ran out, and I was supposed to get in the mail before I did this video, but it's not here, so we'll come back to that one. My next moisturizer I'm using today is also African Pride, but this one has shea butter and flaxseed oil, and my hair loved this too. Oops. This way, right? Okay. Let's go with this then. There we go. And again, it's down to the bottom as I've been using. Ah, there we go. You see it? I've been using it. My hair, love it. It has it has a custard scent. And this one, oh God, this one's good. This smells good. I like that. I have a perfume smell. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna start with my Shea Enhanced Smoothie. I'm gonna start from the ends and work my way up. Oh, my hands are very heavy. I use a lot of products in my hair. And that's because this wash and go will last like a week before I need to do anything else to it. Guys, the ends are the most important part of your hair. Don't forget to moisturize the ends. Trust me. I'm talking from experience. I'm using my fingers to make sure to moisturize it properly. Okay. Look at it, guys. Look at it. And now I'm going to use a little bit of the leave-in. I don't use it in any particular order, except once I put the SheaMoisture in my hair, I have no particular order to go. The SheaMoisturizer and the oil. The SheaMoisturizer will be the first, the oil will always be my last. My moisturizer. It looks like a lot of stuff that I'm putting in my hair, but trust me. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at the curls. See? Now I'm going to put a little bit of gel. I'm using the Eco Gel, the Argan oil. Eco Gel. Not much. I don't need a lot in there. I just need a little bit. Get it? There we go. Okay. And if it has that look, that white look, when it dries clear. So you won't see anything once it's dry. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil. Just to give it that nice shine and hold the moisture in my hair. Very little oil. And that's it. I'll do the other side and I'll be back. I'll come back when I do the top portion because that's my trouble area. For this section, I start moisturizing from the top because Lord Jesus, this section I think it just intend to drive me crazy. And it's always been like that. Let's put that into, put some moisturizer in there. There, it feels like it's getting moisturized right here. And then a little bit of the moisturizer. I need a little bit more on that here. I love this moisturizer, the African Pride moisturizer. It gave up such a good slip. Oh my goodness. Look, it just can just run your fingers straight through. Moisturizing every particle of the hair. Yep. Now a little bit of gel. I'm using a t-shirt that I use to dry my hair. That's another thing, guys. I don't use towel to dry my hair. You're not supposed to use towel to dry your natural hair. Use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel to dry your hair. Come back and finish play with that later on. I'll roll it out like that so it stays out of the way. And then I'm gonna add it to the one that I did to the back. I'm not tightening, it's not tight, guys, it's just enough to get it out of the way for now. And now I'm gonna do the other half on the side. I think my hair needs to get clipped. I think I'll have to clip my hair next time I wash my hair. The comb just pass straight through, guys. That's it. It's Shea Enhanced Smoothie. As I put a lot of products in my hair because my hair tends to dry very quickly. Okay, a little bit of leave-in. Let's get to the end and work my way up to the roots. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Moisturizer in. Oh, I love the slip. The slip is ridiculous. A little bit of the gel. Just a little bit. And you know, once I put my gel in, the next thing is the hair oil. Just a little bit of hair oil. Mix it. Guys, I can't wait for you guys to see it when it's dry. Oh my lord. The curls is ridiculous. Oh, you'll see the shrinkage. I have a lot of shrinkage, even though I try not to completely do my hair wet, because if you do your hair extremely wet when it dries, you get a lot of shrinkage. Yes, you do. Move this out of the way, and we'll do the other side now. Alright, guys, all that will be dried out. If you guys didn't see me ever so often looking out on that side, because I'm looking at the YouTube channel on the TV. Look at this side already. Now, that top, and this is it. Oh my god, my hair is so nice and soft. Oh my goodness. Ends and work my way up. A little bit of moisturizer in there. Different products give you a different set of curls. Don't ask me why. I have no clue. A little bit of gel. And you know what's coming next? A little bit of oil. And guys, you can use any oil you have. If you have olive oil is the balm on your hair. Whatever oil you have a jojoba oil, you can use that. You don't have to mix them. You can use whatever oil you have for your hair. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of oil and do this. Look at the curls, guys. Look at these curls. Alright. You see how long these curls are to the front? They'll shrink and then they'll be just perfect. All natural curls. I don't like anybody touching my hair because it takes the moisture out of your hair. Okay. Let you guys see the back in a few minutes. But I love this. Now this is the back. And you guys will see the straight and my little trouble area to the top here. And the sides. Yes, looking good, guys. Looking good. Guys, this is what my hair look like when it's dry. I'm home now. And look at the curls from the side. Look at the curls, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Very tight. Look at, did you see the front of it? It's still a little damp, so it's gonna get even more shorter than it is right now. Okay, now look at the back of it. Yes, I had to step outside because the light isn't too good inside.